Welcome to the Wong Review. My name is Will, and welcome to my bathroom. I know it's strange to be filming in the bathroom, but there's a reason. And I'm going to be reviewing the Braun Series 9 Wet and Dry Shaver today. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing, review some of the accessories that come with it, including the docking station that charges it and the cleaning solution that does it, as well as I'm going to use it on my face here. I'm going to do a shave to show you how well it performs in real world example. So as you're watching the video, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Like the video and consider subscribing to my channel for similar content. Here's the Braun Series 9. I got the one with the clean and charge station, 40,000 cross-cutting actions per minute, something called Synchrosonic technology, wet and dry, and it's 10 directional flex head. And if I turn it over, it actually does explain to you what Synchrosonic technology means. So there's 4 blades in total, the octafoils on either end, the hyper lift and cut trimmer, direct and cut trimmer, and protective skin guard. So this is what makes up the Synchrosonic technology. It has a 2-year warranty. It does have a precision headlock, which I'll explain in a bit. 40-minute cordless shaving, 5-minute quick charge, has an LED, but also has hygienically cleaning. You can see kind of how the cleaning station works here, and high performance lubrication and extra fast drying. So let's unbox this and see what's inside. This is what comes in the box. The shaver, the Series 9 itself, the cleaning solution, a brush to help kind of clean off the hairs, the AC adapter, and the charging cleaning station right here. So I just want to take a closer look at the shaver itself. First of all, I have to say that this is very light. I have a Series 1 before and it was a lot heavier than this. It just feels light. It has that kind of fake chrome finish kind of look on it. It's a fingerprint magnet. You can also already see the fingerprints I have on here. You can see it there and there just from handling it. In terms of the blade, this is what it looks like. If I press the tilt, the 10 directional tilting, as you can see here, as I push it down. All right, and you can also lock it in place. So now it's locked by just pushing this. I'm gonna push it back up. Now it moves again. It has that beard trimmer in the back here that you can use just by lifting it up, which I will not use since I can't even grow a beard even if I wanted to. I'm jealous of those who can though. Speaking of beard, this is Terry. Terry has a very manly beard and I'm pretty jealous of that beard. So I thought, what would I look like with his beard? So here I am with this beard. What do you guys think? And then there's the charging port. So that's, I have to say I'm pretty happy with the quality of this, and the finish looks very nice and modern and sleek. Now I'm going to take a closer look at the charging station. So you can see here at the back there's 2 electrodes or 2 prongs that acts as the connection to charge your the Series 9. And here on the back, you flip it over, you can see the 2 contacts here. All you do is have those connected, put it in, and that's it. And then it should start charging. I'm not plugged in yet. So if I take this off, the plug is on this side, so you plug the AC adapter here. And then to put the solution, there's a button here, you just press it. It releases, and then what I'm going to do is put the solution in. You have to actually lift the lid off. Okay, lift the lid off, and you just slide it in like that, and in it goes. So now the solution is at the bottom here. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead, plug this in, charge it, and I'll do a quick demo of using it and give you my overall thoughts of the Series 9 shaver. Okay, so now that I've unboxed Braun Series 9 shaver, I'm going to put it to the real world test. I've grown this beard for 5 days now, and it's long enough that it needs to be cut off. And so I'm going to use the Braun Series 9 to see how well it actually works. The Braun Series 9, this is the power button. So the Braun Series 9, this is the power button you turn on. You can see there's a meter lever here. And then this is the locking mechanism that locks the head. This is loose, and then this locks it. So what we do now is we'll shave and see how well it works. Okay. Overall, that's a quick real-world test of the Braun Series 9 shaver. Overall, I'm pretty impressed with it. My first pass, it completely cut it. I didn't have to go through a second time. It was nice and close to the skin. You can't really see any of the stubble. I can't really feel any of the stubble either. So again, provides really nice close shave. The only thing I really did appreciate was it didn't pull any of my hairs when I was shaving. When I was doing the Philips Shaver 9 video with replacements head, you can actually see me grimace a few times where it was pulling a bit of my hair because it was so long. But this case, 9 issue. Didn't pull any hair and I didn't grimace at all, as you can see in the video. And I like the fact that it's such a good shave that I went through pass once and it was kind of done. For the mouth and under the nose here, I did have to pass through a couple of times and I had to lock the mechanism so it kind of got in there to kind of shave. But overall, it was a lot quicker than my Philips shaver by far, probably by half the time. So overall, I am pretty impressed with the Braun Series 9 shaver. In terms of cleaning, it was pretty easy to clean. You just kind of pop the head off. There's 2 mechanisms here, and then you can take a brush that they provide for you and clean it out. So I'm gonna do that right now. And then close it back up. It's important to clean the shaver so it doesn't get into the mechanisms and so it doesn't kind of clog up the mechanisms as well. And so overall, I am pretty impressed with this shaver. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put it into the cleaning kit to show you how it works. So here's the Braun cleaning and charging station right here that comes with the Braun Series 9. I am going to show you how to charge it and show you the cleaning as well. The only downside to this charging unit is quite large. So it doesn't really fit on anyone's bathroom counter. Anyways, on my counter anyways. So as a result, I have to kind of put this away underneath each time I'm not using it. And thankfully, I'm just going to use it maybe once every 2 weeks just to do a deep cleaning and to charge it properly. So I am going to put this unit away just because it's so big. So on the charge, on the Braun Series 9, there's 2 prongs here and there's 2 prongs here. Those are the contacts for charging your Braun Series 9. So I'm going to pop that in. Quite simple. It lights up, starting to charge. You can see the charging indicator on there as well. I'm going to press that button. Now it's going to start cleaning. It's going to start cleaning the shaver. You can actually hear the water being flushed through the shaver. So I guess it cycles through. So I guess the solution at the bottom is spraying up, and then it's turning on the shaver to kind of wash it off, is what I'm guessing. So the cleaning took about 20 minutes for the docking station to actually turn off. I think there's like some kind of blower or a fan that's trying to dry off the water. So it was done in about 20 minutes. So that concludes my video on the Braun Series 9 shaver. I actually managed to pick this up on Amazon Prime deals for $149.99. The regular price for this is $349 on Amazon Prime. They had it for $199, and for some reason there was a $50 coupon I could apply for it, and they dropped it down to $150 Canadian, which I thought was an amazing deal for Braun Series 9 with the docking station and the solution cleaning. Alright, so I'll leave a link in the description below, so click on the link if you want to check out the current pricing of it. I would look for Black Friday, Christmas deals, and even Boxing Day deals in Canada to see if this comes on sale again. If you're looking for one, I would definitely recommend you pick this up. Alright, that concludes my video, which is perfect time because I do have to use the bathroom now, so I'm going to turn this off because no one needs to see that. Alright, so thank you guys for watching, and until next time.